Once upon a time, there was a village named Dholakpur. Swati and Krishna lived in this village. He was living with his friend Ramu by making noodles and selling them. Egg noodles, chicken noodles, and veg noodles. Come here, come. Have delicious noodles here. Everyone used to come by listening, and the smell of the noodles attracted them. Krishna, your noodles is so tasty. If I eat once, I want to eat more and more. Yes, what he is saying is absolutely correct. There are no one in this village who are making noodles like you both. Everyone in the village used to eat their noodles and enjoy, and their business went on very nicely. One day they got lot of money and took them in an equal share and happily went to their home. From some days our business is going on very nicely. If we continue like this, I and my wife will happily live. Krishna was thinking. Even after he reached his house, he was thinking. As he was not sleeping and thinking, then Swati saw this. What happened, Krishna? Today you came so early and are looking so happy. And also now not sleeping and thinking. Swati, it's nothing like that. Today I am so happy. That's why ask whatever you want. I will give you. Krishna said. And said what happened and showed the money he got. I never asked Krishna that I want something, Swati thinks. Swati, I asked to say what you want, but why are you thinking something? Nothing, Krishna. You everyday sell noodles and give me 100 rupees from the money you get. What? You only want 100 rupees? Okay, Swati. I will do how you say. Like this, from that day, he is giving Swati 100 rupees from the money he got. Like this, many years went on, and one day both friends were talking. Ramu said, from many years we are selling noodles in this village, but we did not change. How we are like that time, we are like that only. Like this, instead of selling in the village, let's go and sell in a city. If we sell noodles in a city, we will get more money. Ramu, why should we leave our own village and go sell noodles somewhere else? I don't like this. We will sell noodles here only like this. I thought to go to the city and sell noodles. I don't have money to run the business in the city. But if we both go to the city, we can both give an equal share of money for the business. That's why I should convince him and make him agree. Otherwise, I also should live with him in this village. Krishna, from many years we are living in this village like this. That's why let's go to a city and give an equal share of money for our business and sell noodles there. And if we don't get more money over there, we will come back here and sell noodles. Okay, Ramu, you're asking me this much, so I will agree. Okay, Krishna, we will go to the city tomorrow only. Okay, Ramu. They were thinking like this. And after selling noodles in the village, they went to their house. My friend Ramu said, we are going to the city tomorrow itself. I should go and make the money ready and also should say this to Swati. He thought like this without sleeping. What happened? What are you thinking? Swati, I and my friend are thinking to go to the city and sell noodles in the city. Why should you sell noodles in the city? Here noodles business is going on well, right? Swati, I don't want you and your friend to sell noodles in the city. We will sell noodles in the city and see if we get more money in the city than village, and if we don't get, we will come back, Krishna said and slept. Krishna didn't listen to Swati and woke up early and went to the city. Both the friends gave their money and took a vehicle to sell noodles and used to sell noodles in the city. On the first day, the business was good and was so happy. But after some days, even if the noodles business is going on well, but because of more expenses, the money which they bought were finished. With this, the two friends were upset and did not understand what to do. Ramu, even if we got more money, because of the expenses, the money got finished. Even if we go to our village and keep our business, there is no money. Yes, Krishna, if I would listen to you that time, we wouldn't get this situation now. We will go to our village now. They went to their village. After Krishna go to his house, he was sad and was not talking to Swati. Swati saw Krishna being sad. What happened, Krishna? Why are you like this? He said everything to his wife. Don't be sad and sell noodles again in this village. I at least don't have money for that. I don't know anything else than making noodles. I don't know what to do now. Don't be sad, Krishna. You used to give me 100 rupees, right? I have hid all the money which you gave me. With this money, you and your friend can again make noodles and sell here. She gave all the money which she hid. With this money, Krishna and Ramu began their business again. They used to make different types of noodles and sell it, and all the customers used to enjoy their noodles. From then, Krishna used to hide some part of the money safely, and they all lived happily ever after.